I'll use an example from my everyday life. I buy all of my clothes from Hobbs. Why? Why? Today we're going to talk about value proposition. And if you're wondering why I've gone all management consultant on you, it's for a very good reason. You see, value proposition is just a fancy way of saying why people buy stuff from you, which, by the way, is exactly the same thing as why people invest in you. This is a part of our methodology that we introduced relatively recently, and I think it's something that's taken our work from pretty damn good to frankly exceptional. In fact, I would say that our ability to help companies answer this question is, in fact, our value proposition. But anyway, the process of defining your value proposition is actually pretty straightforward if you already have your customers front of mind. And if they're not at the front of your mind, you need to get them there. All you have to do is answer two questions. 1, what is my customer's problem? 2, how do I solve it? Now, a good value proposition ideally has 3 drivers: practical, economical, and emotional. I'll illustrate this with an example from my everyday life. I buy nearly all of my clothes from Hobbs. Why? Because the clothes fit me perfectly and I can wear them every day. Practical. They're pretty expensive, but they last for years. Economical. And because they fit perfectly with my contemporary but professional European businesswoman image that I like to project. Emotional. What you have to do is find those same drivers that bring customers to your business. And once you find them, be really bold about putting your value proposition at the heart of your brand and communications. If you're developing a novel technology or working in an emerging market, the chances are that you're going to have to work a lot harder than a well-known brand like Hobbs to make the value you offer to customers clear. The first step is being really clear about it yourself. So, what's your value proposition? Okay, that's not just a rhetorical question. I really do want to know what your value proposition is. Tell me in the comments, join in the conversation on social media, take this opportunity to tell everyone about the value you offer.